Say hello to this perfectly compact, stylish and portable appliance that will keep your beverages nice and chilled, with the ability to make ice in as little as 7 minutes. This unit has the capability to produce 26 pounds of ice per day. Comes with an easy carry handle, allowing you to bring the ice maker from room to room. A viewing window allows you to watch the ice being made, while the 125-pound ice basket ensures plenty of capacity for all of your beverage needs. The automatic 5-cycle self-cleaning function makes cleanup easy and allows clean ice to be made every time. The LED lighted control panel lets you to choose from small or large ice cube sizes, while also letting you know when to add water and if the ice basket is full. Perfect for pool parties, home bars, dorm rooms, offices and more. Cold drinks, warm smiles.